Guys, check it. Okay, all these birds are staring Rory down, and she does not like it.
Are you peeking out the sunroof?
Yeah.
What is he doing? What is he doing? Who's ready for the beach? Who's ready for the beach? It's a bird. It's a plane. No, wait. It's some random guy on a thing that has a fan attached to it with a parachute. What's up, guys? It's Jesse from Smellybellytv, aka the Smelly Belly Dad, and today we are at the beach hanging out with family, just kind of doing our thing and enjoying our day today. But I gotta put you guys up in the air for a little bit, so just hold on 1 second.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
Haley is shivering, shaking like a little leaf, but they're having snacks. I think you guys are done with the water, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
I think you should be done.
No.
Because otherwise you're just gonna keep getting miserable. I feel like we've been to the beach more in the winter this year than in the summer, which makes no sense at all. I don't understand how that happened, but it just happened. And you know, kids cannot help themselves. They have to go in the water, no matter how freezing cold it is. Would you guys go in the water? And it's actually not that cold today, it's like 70. But the water is super, super cold. Do you guys like to go in the cold water? Yes or no? Comment down below. I just want to remind you guys as well, no matter where you are, what you're doing, who you are with, I hope you're having an amazing day. And if you're not, you can turn it around and make it amazing because it's your day to seize and to make however you want it to be. I truly believe that. The birds are attacking us. They want our orange peels. Ah, stay away. Shoo, 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 shoo. Everybody get away. Fly away. Fly away. Get away from us. We don't have any Cheetos for you.
We don't have any Cheetos.
Bird chasers. Welcome to an episode of Bird Chasers. We have Aydah, who is the captain. Episode of Bird Chasers over. That was the first ever episode of Bird Chasers here in Smellybellytv. If you'd like to see another, tune in when we go to the beach next time. It's gonna be even more epic. I just want to say, if you're new to our channel, some things that you can expect from us as vloggers is probably not typical. We like to make our vlogs more like a show. Even though you are seeing our real life, we just like to be silly and goofy and do little things like we'll do short commercial breaks. We'll do, like, I do Tara Test That Out, Jesse does Science with Jesse. Jayla and Aydah will do like random moments where they just do silly things. I also have, I have to do a rare species finding while we're at the beach. That is a must. So if you haven't seen one of those yet, I will do one very, very soon where I go around the beach and I find really, really rare things that you would never see at a beach or probably just never see in general. But before the episode of Rare Species Findings by Tara, this short commercial break will tide you over until then. Do you ever get cold at the beach?
Yeah!
Introducing the tie-dye towel 1000. It's not like any other towel. It's colorful. It's in a rectangular shape, and it keeps you extra warm. I have my model here. How you feeling?
I feel toasty.
Oh yes.
I'm in a toaster.
That's all. A big thank you to the Towel 3000. Tie-dye Towel 3000 is not a sponsor of Smelly Belly TV, and I just want to say it's just like any other regular towel, so you will not be able to find that in our merch store. Oh my gosh, but if you guys want a Smelly Belly beach towel in our merch store, hit your thumbs up if you would purchase that. That just came to me. That would be amazing. So Jesse got some new camera equipment, guys. It's called an Osmo, and it's awesome for video, but it takes great photos too. And he's having like the cutest little photo shoot with Rory right now, guys. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. So if you want to see these photos, you're probably gonna have to go to Instagram and search Smelly Belly Dad, and you'll see those photos.
I've been trying to up my Instagram game.
He's trying to
Usually
beat
my
me.
photos are like this.
Selfie.
But I've been trying to catch more moments of like our family.
Oh,
So-
so sweet. It's gonna make me cry. By the way, I do not have a pretty cry face, guys. When I really cry, I cry. I've seen some people who have a pretty cry face, and I wish I had one, but I don't. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Rare Findings on the Beach. Here is a rare sighting of a species called orange peel. Here's a rare sighting of a species called sand bucket. Here is an extremely rare sighting of a species called plastic fork. Here is a rare sighting of a species called flip-flop. I always wonder how these things happen. I don't get it. Here's a rare sighting of a species called jumbled up weeds / trees roots that look like a creepy, scary spider. Last but not least, guys, I have something extremely rare. No, like, it's not a joke. This is a serious moment, okay? Extremely rare to show you. Are you guys ready for that rare sighting? I present to you a rare species of, there he is, man taking a photo on the beach. There you have it. This concludes the episode of Species Finding with Tara. Rare species, not just any species. And I thank you guys for joining. It's been fun. Guys, check it. Okay, all these birds are staring Rory down, and she does not like it. She says all the birds, they just want your chips, but don't give them any, because if you give them chips, then they're all gonna come and attack us, okay? So don't give them any chips, okay? Tell the Bellians a story. Do you have a Rory talk for them?
I just gave him a story.
You already told them a story?
Yeah.
When?
I just did it.
Can you tell them another?
I just did it.
What was it?
It was a part of the beach.
It was a part of the beach?
Yeah, because we are at the beach.
We are at the beach, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But sticks from my feet.
The sticks hurt your feet?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about the beach?
About sand.
The sand? Oh, sandcastles.
Yeah.
That's a good favorite part. Are you enjoying those chips?
Yeah.
Can the Bellians have a little piece?
We can't feed them to birds.
No, we can't, but you can feed them to the Bellians.
Yeah.
Yeah? Can they have some? They're hungry. They've been playing on the beach and they're super hungry. Oh, thank you, Share Bear. So our new camera that we got, you guys, we've mentioned that it has terrible audio. So Jesse has figured out a way to make it great again. We have like a reporter mic, and show them how it works. This is how it would technically look if we had a vlog with a mic. Oh, it came unplugged, but I can still pretend. It would be like this. Do you guys think we should do our vlogs like that? What's up, guys? That would be ridiculous. I'm ready when you are, sir.
Reporting live from the beach. Right now I see a couple of seagulls. Let's see what they want.
Would you like
Oh
a
yeah,
Cheeto?
I'd like a Cheeto. I'd like a Cheeto.
They love their
They
Cheetos.
won't talk. They're not talking. They said that they're not going to talk until the details are fully released.
Excuse me, your mic isn't plugged in. Don't know if you noticed, but yeah, fail.
It's kind of funny because when you're talking in this thing, you lick it on accident and you get a hair in your mouth.
Gross. So this is kind of like sad and demented, but what they call these mic covers are dead cats. Why? Why can't it just be a mic cover? That sounds so much better. The stare down begins. Birds versus baby Rory. Who will win? Who will give up first? Oh, the birds! They've given up first. I guess something yummier came along than tortilla chips. Back up, boys. There's a new sheriff in town, and her name is Rory Kate. And all of you are gonna be sent to the chokey. Stay away! It's a sad day for our dead cat. Even though it's already dead, he's officially double dead.
He'll be just fine.
How'd you not realize you dropped your dead cat?
Well, it pops out of here because I have no mic mount.
Can we name
I
him
had a
something
mic
else?
mount, but then you can hear the fan noise on the Osmo.
Can we name him something else besides dead cat?
Yeah.
What about Fluffy Cat?
Let's
Maybe
let's
Fluffy
name
Cat?
him. Let's name him Fluffy Cat.
Okay,
yeah,
I like that better.
I like that.
Bellions! It's an emergency! Rory needs help getting her hoodie on. Actually, she doesn't. She got it on all by herself. Did you do it all by yourself?
Yeah.
The Bellions didn't have to help you?
Nope.
Nope. All right. Excuse me, little fella. You cannot sunbathe on my towel. That is not allowed. That's Smelly Belly TV, okay? Oh, but he's so cute, guys. Look at him. He just wants a chip. Hey, guys. My name's Betsy, and I was wondering if you guys had a Cheeto to spare. I'm just really, really hungry. There hasn't been really any fish in the water. But, so yeah. My friend just they saw a fish. Oh my gosh, guys. We're going to get a fish tonight for dinner. Let's go get it.
We are packing it up and leaving the beach, but before we go, Tara has to teach herself how to floss. Floss it.
It's
floss
bugging me
it,
because I
floss
can't
it.
do it.
Oh, the mama's got it. The mama's got it. I will take 3 of the crispy chicken sandwiches, and then 2 of the junior cheeseburger deluxes, 5 small fries, 4 vanilla ice, or not ices, frosties, 4 vanilla frosties, and then 1 chocolate frosty. Oh, and 5 small fries.
And what a mustard.
And then can we get some honey mustard as well? And some ranch.
No problem. Anything else?
That'll be all. Thank you. All right. 4 vanilla frosties.
Yeah, me.
Here's your Wendy's, children. Take it. Take it. I got more. I got a whole nother bag.
Open Rory's thing.
Oh, okay. All right, we gotta wait. Jayla's helping out Rory.
Who left the front door wide open with the keys in it? All right, guys, I wanted to show you the puppy's new room because they moved in to Aydah's old room, which is now the guest room. So that is their new puppy palace setup.
We have made it back home, and it is that time of the. Hold on. We have made it back home, and it is that time of the day to say our favorite parts of the day. And my favorite part of the day was definitely hanging out with everybody at the beach.
My favorite part of the day was going to the beach. Mine was taking photos of everyone at the beach. It was a lot of fun. My favorite part of the day was going to the beach. My favorite part of the day was playing with Bugatti. Bugatti with Rory.
And if you guys don't know what the Bugatti is, it's the volleyball. Your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day was that I finally learned how to floss!
Let's see it. Let's see it. Is that right?
No, I did it wrong. I had it right until everyone started staring at me.
My favorite part of the day was going to the beach. And I just did it already.
Thank you again for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. But before we go, would you rather go to the beach or learn how to floss? Let me know in the comments below. Bye, love you guys.
Eat your pickles, kids.
Oh, Rory's gonna floss for you guys. All right, Rory, floss it. Oh yeah, floss it out, girl. You got this. Oh, now dab on it. Dab on it. Oh.
Click up here to see yesterday's video. Click up there to see more vlogs. Click up there to subscribe, and also click over there for feeling spicy. Also, check out our YouNow, Musical.ly, and Instagram. You can always find us under Smelly Belly TV. As always, eat your pickles, kids.